Hello guys, welcome back to our other video of calibration of concilium gas detection system of O2 sensor. For that we have to enter the password is up, select down and up. After that we have to go to calibration span gas, that is calibrated by the oxygen. Our oxygen in the atmosphere is 20.9, but sensor was showing that 20.2. So we need to calibrate the O2 sensor. Again we are trying to put the password, but that button is so sensitive, so we are putting the incorrect password. Now again we will try to put the password. That password is up, select down and up. Then we have a menu that setting 0 calibration, span calibration and back. So we need to go to span calibration, that is calibrated by the oxygen which is present in the atmosphere. Then it will show 20.9. then we have to put select button. Then if we select, it will show that apply gas and the countdown start 120 second. Once 120 second will finish, it will show calibrated, or after that the result will come. If calibration is passed, it will show pass. If calibration is failed, it show failed and come in red light. If it is passed, it will show 20.9, which is actual O2 content in the atmosphere, and so pass. So see what will happen after 70 seconds. For more videos you have to like, comment and comment which kind of video you want to see next. So I will try to calibrate or show that video, because we are on oil tanker, Apramax oil tanker powered by LNG. So please like our video. After 30 seconds it will show the result. We will see, we will get pass or fail. If we will pass, the job is finished. That is model is concilium and the sensor model is ST450EC. We have a sensor near the scrubber, near the IG plant and near the nitrogen generator. Now it will start calibration. Now it is showing that in progress. It is calibrated 20.9 and it is passed. Now we have to go back to the index list and then back to normal. Back, then it is showing, now it is showing 20.9. before it was showing 20.2, which is not good. Now it is good. Thank you.